Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Shantini Bhattacharya, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Gatanakulathu, Chennai. Today, I am going to start D flip-flop. Okay. So, first of all, I want to tell one thing that if you want to know the D about the D flip-flop, so before going to D flip-flop, all of you just go through the SR flip-flop my video. Okay. So if you understand SR flip-flop, then you can clearly understand the D flip-flop. So it is actually nothing but it is a delay flip-flop. So it is a simple gated SR latch with a NAND inverter connected between SR and R input. It has only one input. The input data, that means one input means this is a block diagram, this is only one input, and clock is actually normal for all flip-flops, so it is not considered as an input, but it is an input. Okay, so input data is appearing at the output after some time, so it is called delay flip-flop. Due to this delay between input and output, it is called delay flip-flop. S and R will be complement of each other due to the inverter. Okay, so actually this is actually the circuit of the D flip-flop. You can see S and R is connected by using a NOT gate. Okay, so this is actually nothing but NOT is represented as a NAND gate. Okay, so S and R is connected to a NAND basically NOT gate. Okay, so when we will give 0 as the input, that means D equals to 0, then S will be 0 but R is 1. Okay, and when I will give as the input D equals to 1, then S is 1, R will be 0. So you can see we can only give one input, and if this part is actually SR flip-flop. So if we can consider only S and R 0 1 and 1 0 combination. Okay, 0 0 and 1 1 combination will not happen in the case of D flip-flop. So to explain the D flip-flop, this is actually the truth table. So to explain the D flip-flop, now I am clearly show what will happen in the case of D flip-flop. Okay, so what is actually happened here? This is clock, this is D. Okay, this is S and R. Okay, this is Q and this is Q bar. Okay, these basically. So clock, if I give clock is 0, then whatever the D will be there, then S and R will be also whatever the output is, it will not come, actually not show any output. Okay, so clock is always 1. Okay, so here we will give actually two combination, so D equals to 0 and D equals to 1. Okay, so if D equals to 0, just this combination I just try. If D equals to 0, D equals to 0, so D is directly come here, so S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 1, so it will come S 0 and R equals to 1. So based on the SR flip-flop principle, we know the output will be S equals Q equals to also 0 and Q bar equals to 1. This is called reset condition. If I want to show you the principle also 0 and 1, 0 1, and here clock is always 1. So 0 means definitely output will be 1, and there 1 1 means here is a 1 1 1 means 0, and there is a 1, there is a 0, 0 means output is 1. This 1 will go here, 1 1 means 0. That means you can see that Q equals to 0 and Q bar equal to 1. Is it okay? Now I am coming to the next actually state. Okay, so now first of all I remove all these things, then I will start the next one. Okay, so now D equals to actually 1, so S equals to 1 and R equals to 0. So D equals to 1, S equals to 1, R equals to 0. So according to the SR flip-flop rule, what will happen? It is a set condition. Set condition means Q equals to 1, R equals to 0. So just see whether it is okay or not. Here I am using a red color. So as this is a 0, 0 means here actually 1 0, that means definitely it is 1, okay, and 1 1 means 0, and as there is a 0, 0 means here it will come 1, and this 1 will go here, 1 1 means 0. You can see that q equals to 1 and q bar equals to 0. So this is the these two combination will happen in the case of actually the D flip-flop, okay. So I hope all of you can understand that all these operations I have already written here. 0 and 1 combination, E for enable, that means clock 1 1. So in the case of 0, q equals to 0 and q bar equals to 1, reset condition, and in the case of 1, q equals to 1 and q is equal to 0, this is the set condition, okay. Thank you so much, keep watching, and if you have any doubt, then place this doubt in the comment section. I will try to solve all these comment. Thank you so much.